Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by prepping Azure and credentials. Create an app registration and assign exact graph permissions. This lets your code modify teams. Once done, request an access token via OAuth 2. 0. Use client credentials for backend scripts. Make sure to store the client secret or certificate securely and install the Microsoft Graph SDK or plan to craft HTTP requests and JSON payloads manually. This gets you to the point where code can call graph endpoints to list and modify teams. Next, you locate the target team and prepare the join call. Use /me/ joined teams or filter groups where resource provisioning options contains team to get the team ID. This avoids guessing. Then build a post to /groups/teamid/members/$ref with a JSON body referencing the user object URL, or use the SDK method that wraps that call. Make sure the account you add has an Azure AD user object and necessary Teams license. Otherwise, the addition may appear successful, but fail to provision resources. Finally, verify the change and resolve issues quickly. Query /groups/teamid/members or /teams/teamid/members to confirm the user appears. If provisioning is delayed, wait a few minutes and recheck. Inspect HTTP responses. Permission or licensing problems show in 4xx messages, while throttling or backend faults return 429 or 5xx. If throttled, implement exponential backoff and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: double-check Azure AD permissions and that the user has a Teams-eligible license.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.